This is a 1979 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. Project bike. There's a few wires hanging from it. It turns over, we've rocked it in gear. Clutch worked, managed to select gears. Back brake worked, the front doesn't. So it's got potential, just needs a bit of work. TLC. I can't see in there. It's got matching numbers, framing the engine. It doesn't have a title, but that'll be okay to get a dating certificate on it. No parts with it, it comes as it is.